Alright, robot, here's the situation. We're going to hang up another one of these TV wall mounts. This is the mount. We're going to debox it in a minute. It's going right there, and the TV's in the other room. We'll deal with that in a minute. Anyway, that's the scoop. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take the feet off this thing. I use my Phillips unscrewdriver. I guess it would be a screw undriver. Here's my bracket. This releases it. Snaps in, goes right here. Here's the other one. Those are the release hooks. They've got to be out like that. When I clip this on here, they'll all go back in. So now I think I'm ready. I have to measure it. Top of this bar is 14 inches. From the top of the TV, that's one off. I'm going to redo that. 14 inches from the top of the TV. Right, 13 inches. Which I'm going to use strategically when I figure out how to put up the railing. Here's my mounting location. I know that the stud is right here. Same way I noticed it the other day. If you tap on it just right, you can tell. The top of the TV I figure we put right here, which is roughly where the top of the old TV was. Which means that the bracket is going to go 13 inches here. And the bottom of the TV is going to be right about here. Which means that an adult sitting in this piece of furniture here should have it be right about the eye level. But the reality is that most of this time this will be played on the, or watched on the floor looking up at it, but that's fine. So this is how I'm going to do it. This is the scoop. See what I did? I put that one in too low. It needs to be right there. Luckily, I've got some extra ones. It doesn't matter how many I put in, and I've got plenty of room. So it won't take me long to fix it, even though it's annoying. That's pretty good. Just for the record, the level that came with this thing isn't even remotely close to real. So it's better to use this thing. I wish I'd paid $1 less and got one without the level. Alright, time to try to hang the TV. I declare bueno. Let's see if it works. Here it is. Situation is under control. I declare bueno. I do have to vacuum this thing up though. It looks all kind of trashed out. Alright, smell you later.